Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Joe, and if you don't watch my videos, I create videos how you can develop your skills as a hairdresser, as well if you are a salon owner or salon manager, so how you can develop and be the next level in your business. All right, so today's topic is like we are going to speak about hair treatment. So I'm going to divide the hair treatments about two different lines: hair treatment for the scalp, as well hair treatment for the hair. So before we start to our topic, let's we watch the video. Let's we put all the words in one side. As you see here, we have dandruff, we have oily and dry scalp, we have sensitive scalp, we have hair loss. So just like we divided for 4 sessions, and let's we go here. So we have damaged hair, we have dry hair, we have split ends, we have frizzy hair. So now we will work together to create amazing packages that will solve these issues, right? All right, so let's say we need to have in our salon a product that treating the scalp from the dandruff, a product that treating the scalp from the hair loss, as well treating the scalp from the sensitivity like the redness, the allergy. As well, we need to have a line that will treat the scalp if we have oily or dry scalp. Okay, so let's we go about the hair. We need to have a product that will repair the damaged hair. For example, the bond builders, they are excellent product to repair the damaged hair. So we need hydration for the dry hair. So we have frizzy client, right? They come to our salon, they want to remove the frizziness. We need a product that will remove the frizziness from the hair. As well, for the split ends, we need to recommend to our client what they need to use to solve this issue. So here my recommendation for you to create packages in your salon. So this package will be included like a treatment for the scalp, as well treatment for the hair. Also, I highly recommend to have one package treating the scalp and the hair at the same time, as we have like 80 to 90% of our clients, they are facing scalp and hair issue. So before starting our treatment, we need to understand that we have 4 types of the hair. We have straight hair, wavy hair, curly hair, as well the afro hair. Also, we don't need to forget that all these types, they have different category. Like for example, we have fine hair, we have medium hair, as well we have thick hair. So let's we make it easy. For example, if you have a client, she have straight hair, we need to check this straight hair. Is it thin or fine hair, or is it medium hair, or if it's thick hair? So now we are going to speak how we will apply and how we will do our application. So here we go, like as we say, we divide the application on the scalp, as well we divide the application on the hair. So step number 1, like we need to wash the hair. After washing the hair, we need to towel dry. Very important to dry the hair with the towel really well, so when we will do the treatment in front of the mirror, so we'll not see like full of water coming to the floor. So after drying the hair with the towel, we are taking our scalp treatment, applying section by section to the scalp. All right, just like hold on here. So if you have really curly and very dry a hair that you cannot even move your hands, so my recommendation here, let's we take a little bit product like that we are going to apply to the ends of the hair, like for example the hydration line. So here I'm giving you guys example. We have a client, she has an oily scalp, as well she have extremely dry damaged hair. Okay, so my goal is to do treatment for her scalp, as well to do treatment for the hair. Okay, so before applying to the scalp a treatment, because I cannot control the hair, it's so frizzy, so dry, I cannot section the hair, so it will be difficult for me to do the application. So to make the things easy, we apply a little bit hydration product in our hand, and then we apply all over to the hair. Then this will help us to section the hair, will help us like to have more control when we are working on the scalp. Okay, so after doing this application, we will take the section from the back, apply the scalp treatment, and give the massage. So my recommendation here, apply section by section, with including the massage whenever you are applying on the section. All right, so after this application, we will give to the client like 5 minutes all over scalp massage. When we do the massage, we are going to apply the hydration or the repair treatment to the ends of the hair. When we are applying the treatment to the ends of the hair, so here the application will be like we are applying the product, we are just like massaging with our hand. Some treatments need to be brushed, some no. It depends the brand that you are using. So after that, like I always recommend to do like the massage from down to the up of the hair to help the product to penetrate inside of the cuticle. So whenever we are done from our application, our client sitting in the chair, so here what I prefer to give her like 5 minutes hand massage, just like to pamper our client when she is waiting the time of the treatment. Before doing the hand massage, I will bring the product that I am targeting to give it to the client, the take-home product. So I will just like put it in front of her. So whenever you are doing your hand massage, you are as well recommending to your client the right product that they will use in the home. Also, you can tell the client this product will be enough for you for this much amount, for example, for 1 month. This is the way how we apply the shampoo. We apply a little bit in our hands and then we move it and then we apply on the hair. As we know, like the client, they take the bottle of the shampoo and directly they apply it to the scalp. Okay, so helping the client, what they will use in the home, advising your client, you are building a trust between you and your client. So do these steps and I am sure you will get amazing results. And thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.